The snow hut. How can it be warm when it's made of ice? Imagine standing in the middle of the Arctic. Snow blankets everything, winds howl through the emptiness, and the temperature plummets below, 40 degrees. Suddenly, you spot a strange dome-like structure made entirely of blocks of snow. You prepare yourself for more cold, but as you step inside, you feel warmth, real warmth. How is that even possible? How can something built from ice keep humans warm? Today, we're going to unravel this ancient scientific mystery that humans have known for thousands of years. The igloo is a traditional type of snow shelter built by the Inuit people in polar regions. The word igloo simply means house in the Inuit language. It's constructed entirely from compressed snow blocks, stacked carefully in a spiral to form a dome. The igloo served as a temporary shelter during hunting or migration, designed to protect against the harshest weather conditions on Earth. Amazingly, the only materials used to build it were snow and air, and they were more than enough to create an effective and safe refuge. Now, snow is cold, yes, but that doesn't mean it's useless against the cold. In fact, snow contains trapped air between its crystals. This air is what gives snow its excellent insulating properties. In other words, snow blocks don't pull heat out the way metal or glass would. Instead, they trap warmth and prevent it from escaping. So, the snow walls of the igloo actually act as insulation against the freezing cold outside. Where does the heat inside an igloo come from? From the people inside. Body heat, warm breath, maybe a small fire or oil lamp. All contribute to raising the temperature gradually inside the dome. Interestingly, this slight rise in temperature doesn't cause the igloo to melt. Instead, it helps form a thin layer of melted and refrozen ice that hardens and strengthens the walls. The dome shape of the igloo is no accident. It's an architectural genius. It evenly distributes weight and prevents collapse under snow or wind pressure. The entrance is always lower than the living area, forcing cold air to stay low while warm air rises to the top. The high ceiling allows warmth to collect without rapidly melting the structure. Outside, temperatures might drop to 40 degrees, but inside an igloo, it can rise to 0 degrees, and sometimes even 10 or 15 degrees if there are multiple occupants and a heat source. This temperature difference can be the difference between life and death. So, why doesn't the snow hut melt? Snow absorbs heat very slowly, and when it does melt a little, the moisture quickly freezes again, forming a tougher inner layer of ice. This frozen layer adds durability and improves insulation. Today, modern architects and engineers use the same principles found in the igloo to create energy-efficient homes. These homes use materials that trap air and heat, reducing energy waste and keeping interiors warm with minimal heating. The igloo isn't just a snow hut. It's a masterpiece of adaptation, engineering, and human ingenuity. When we revisit these ancient designs, we realize they weren't primitive. They were advanced in ways that still inspire us today. In the heart of ice, brilliance was born, and it taught us that warmth doesn't always require fire, just a deep understanding of nature.